What's up guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to play Clash Royale on PC. Let's get straight into the video. First things first is you guys are going to want to type in Google Play Beta on Chrome. You should be taken to this website. From here, click Download Beta. Now once that is done installing, go ahead and open it up in your files. Click Install. Once you guys are at this screen, you go ahead and sign into your Google account. Once you have signed into your Google account, just go ahead and confirm your profile. From here, you should have Clash Royale already in your library. Go ahead and click on that and click Install. Once that is done installing, you go ahead and click Play. Once your game is loaded up, you should have to go through the tutorial. I've already done it, so I won't have to. Click OK. Once you guys are at the main menu, you will want to come to these three lines, Supercell ID, click Continue, and type in your Supercell ID for your main account. Click Load. Once you click load and the game restarts, you should be in the main account now. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave down in the comment section below. I'll be quick to respond. You guys have a good one. Ciao.